All living things need food. Every human beings need food because food gives us energy and strength. But my question is, how food gives us energy? The process of digestion. Today our topic is digestive system. This is human digestive system. What is digestion? Digestion is converted into a food with small pieces and to get energy from us. Let's see the definition of digestion. The process by which food is converted into a simpler form to get energy and nourishment is known as digestion. I read again the definition of digestion. The process by which food is converted into a simpler form to get energy and nourishment is known as digestion. This is the definition of digestion. Let's see the process of digestion. This is human digestive system. These are all the organs presented in digestion. The organs are mouth, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, anus. First one is mouth. We get food from mouth. Then second one is esophagus. Esophagus means the food going to the stomach through esophagus. Esophagus, the another name is food pipe. Third one is stomach. Food mixed with stomach. Fourth one is small intestine. Small intestine means the food converted into simpler form and the harmful substance observing here. Then fifth one is large intestine. The undigested food comes to large intestine. Then final one is anus. Water released to anus. Let's see the brief examples of these organs. First organ is mouth. Digestive process being in the mouth. In our mouth we have teeth and tongue. The teeth helps in cutting and chewing the food we eat. The tongue helps in tasting and pushing the food downward into the food pipe. The another important digestive organ is salivary gland. Saliva produced by the salivary gland makes the food wet and soft. Our second organ is food pipe. Food pipe is also known as esophagus. The esophagus is a long muscular tube that joins the mouth to the stomach. The stomach is a large sac-like organ. In the stomach, the food gets mixed with digestive juices that helps in breaking down the food into a thick paste. And next we are going to see liver and pancreas. This is the liver and this one is pancreas. The liver and pancreas also play an important role in the process of digestion. The liver filters harmful substances from the blood and produce bile juice. The pancreas produce pancreatic juice which helps in digestion of carbon dioxide, fats and proteins. And next we are going to see large intestine and small intestine. This one is the large intestine and this is the small intestine. So large, small. Let's see small intestine. From the stomach, the food enters the small intestine which is an approximately 6 meters long. The small intestine also absorbs most of nutrition from the digestive food. Let's see the tips for healthy digestion. Eat food at fixed or regular interval of time. Drink a lot of fluids like water, juice, etc. Avoid eating excesses of junk food and drinking too much of tea and coffee. Eat slowly and chew your food properly. Eat a variety of food such as fruits, green vegetables, like this.